son.
No, this thing is a piece of Hegel.
Hey, you know what I said about language. Sometimes it just slips out. Your rainbow. Oh, crap. Sorry. No, and stop saying that. It's contagious. Cursing? Contagious? Only in science fiction and Doctor Who, my friend. No, I'm spear done. See? What's wrong? You look worried. Don't you know? Wait, what? What don't I know? What don't I know? What do I... Get a hold of yourself. When the humidifier goes out, this place gets weird. How weird? Okay, that's weird. Don't markers hate you? Is it working? Fix that humidifier. Yep. It's gonna be problematic. Maybe this isn't so bad. Clone, you've met your match. Maybe this is so bad. Oh! Okay, that's it. Call the engineer phone, Clone. Yeah? Hello? Engineer? You're not making any progress, are you? I just need a little more time! Just get the engineer here ASAP! I thought we agreed I could have a life of my own! You do! Now go get him! He is coming, right? Yeah, but... What? What do you mean, but? But? No! But. I just want a poodle! Oh. Okay. You've done well. Here you go. Ooh, I was stabbed. The humidifier broke. Oh. Okay. I'll try to stay dead. Thank you. See, phone clone? Common courtesy. Nice guy. That joke is old and you're alone! Great. Now I have to find a new mean goose. No! Humidifier? Yeah, how'd you know? I've worked with you for 72,402 years. Oh. Oh? I think you just have a squirrel in your system. What? A squirrel? I don't need another infestation. I think it's just a one-timer. Thanks. No problem. That'll be $5,622. With tax, it's $139.2, by the way.